Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Layne if you don't already know me, and today we're going to be unboxing the Allure beauty box for January. So before we get into this video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and comment down below some future video requests. And without further ado, let's get into it. So the Allure beauty box is $15 per month. It comes with a variety of full-size and travel-size products, but when you sign up for your first month, you get it for $10 and you get an additional bonus product along with what's originally supposed to come in the box. So when you first open the box, you just get this little pamphlet that tells you about all of the products and what's in them, their prices and how they work, and also there's coupon codes for each of the websites or each of the products that come in this box, which is super nice. So the first product in the box is this Akar Skin Pure Lip Restoration. This is a full-size chapstick. This is really nice. I have used this already and I feel like it works super well and it's super nice. So this lip restoration is full size. The full size value of this is $30. It's kind of expensive, so I really hope that it works well and that it's super good and super good at making my lips stay unchapped throughout the rest of the winter. The next product is the Vitabrid C12 Dual Drop Serum. So this is just a travel size serum. It's got a nice little dropper and it's supposed to help with age defying and dehydration. So this is super nice. So this vitamin C oil has both vitamin C in it and it also has hyaluronic acid, which is going to be really good for moisturizing your face. And since it's really cold outside during these winter months, at least where I live it's going to be super nice for keeping my face nice and moisturized while it's cold out still. Next we have the Somerville Exfolikate Intense Exfoliating Treatment. So this is just another travel size product. It's just a help exfoliator and it sounds like it'd be really nice and I'm really excited to try it out. I have not had the chance to try this product out yet, but everybody has been raving about it, so I'm super excited that I finally have the chance to try out this exfoliator, and I'm super glad that it came in my box this month. And then we have the Philosophy Renewed Hope in a Jar Water Cream. This is a hyaluronic glow moisturizer, so it just looks like this. It looks super nice and I can't wait to use it because the consistency is like a jelly water consistency and it seems like it's going to work super well. This is also a travel size product. So this month this box was mostly skincare. I only got one beauty product out of the box, and the beauty product I got is a full size Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. So it just looks like this. This is the full size and I think this is $23 full size. This is a really nice mascara and the wand looks super nice. I'm really excited to test this mascara out. It looks like it'd be a really nice lengthening wand and it's very full and has a lot of bristles to it, which is really nice. So there is a little bit of variation with the box. Normally it's just one or two products. And this month's variation was instead of receiving the full-size Lights Camera Lashes mascara, you would have received the full-size Tarte Gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara, which is just this one down here. They're both the same value at $23. This one says that it's meant for lengthening lashes, and then the Lights Camera Lashes one is just for volume. So that'd be the only difference that comes in your box. Everything else would be the same products that you see here, which would mean the same value, and it's still a really amazing box. What I got is this Perfect Shine Oil Mist. It's a color and heat protectant, which is paraben free for your hair. It's from the brand Natural Labs, so it just looks like a really nice spray. It's a pretty decent size, and it's a travel size, but it's really big, so it'll probably last me a really long time, and I'm really excited to use this. It says it's a light reflecting hair oil, mist for instant smooth, wow factor color and shine. It sounds like it'd be really nice and it'd make my hair super shiny. Most of the products in this box are valued over the $15 to begin with, just a single product, like the mascara being $23, the lip scrub the lip restoration treatment being $30, and some of the other products, even though their sample sizes are still over $15, which is super nice because then you're getting to try out these products that are really expensive to know if you really like them before you want to buy them. And that's, to me, something that's really important, to test out a product that is, say, $100 for full size to try it out before I commit to buying an $100 full size product. Because what happens if you don't like it? You're getting the product anyways, and you're gonna have to either use it, throw it away, and if it's not something you like, then you're gonna be mad that you wasted your money on spending $100 on a product that you didn't like and that you weren't able to test out beforehand. So testing out products is something that's really, really important to me before committing to an expensive full-size product, which is really nice about this box because it lets you try out the products before committing to the full-size products. So after doing some math and adding up the entire box and how much everything is worth, this month's box is worth $92.48, with getting 2 full-size products and then 4 travel-size products for a total of 6 products. I think that's super, super good for a box that's $15, or it could even be $10 if this is your first month getting it, and you'd also get an additional item, so your value is probably around $100, which is super, super good for spending only $15. I love this box. I hope you guys liked seeing what I got in my Allure beauty box, and maybe you guys will go and purchase it too. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!